Rebecca. So Rebecca came in. She has a brand new grandbaby as of last night.
Great-grandbaby.
Great-grandbaby.
8-pounder.
And so she's bringing us in, saying, hey, I'm going to Missouri today.
Today.
I want to make sure I'm good to go.
That's exactly what she said.
And we're just
Check
going to...
fluids. Check fluids, tire pressure.
Uh-huh.
And I did her batteries.
And you put batteries in her key fob?
She bought some.
Okay. You're awesome. All right. Well, we're going to go for a quick drive, make sure there's no brake pulsation or any other issues.
Awesome.
We'll get it on the lift and see what's going on.
Great.
So, y'all want to come with me on this trip? I'm going to make a note that there's a car behind me. So I'll back up till it sounds expensive. Just kidding. Uh-huh. All right. This is so exciting. I don't know, I've never been a grandparent, but I remember how excited I was when my kid was born. And what I do know is I know how excited my parents was whenever my kids was born, because they then became grandparents. And yeah, they're like super excited. So the fact that, you know, to Missouri, I'm not sure which part of Missouri, but from where we're at here in southwest Oklahoma to like Springfield's a pretty common spot in Missouri. Yeah, we got something has hit the window. She probably don't have time to let us resolve that today, but we'll see. Nonetheless, yeah, we don't want a big old crack on the windshield, but Springfield, about 8 hours away from here. So she leaves after lunch. She leaves about 1 o'clock. She should be to Springfield by 9 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock right now. Should be feasible unless we find something.